According to Tripura Times, city to gain a statue of Maharaja Radhakishore. Agartala, July 13, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev has emphasized on installation of a statue of Maharaja Radhakishore Manikya at the entrance of Ajayanta Prasad. The Chief Minister has passed an instruction to the Urban Development Department to take initiative for installation of the statue during a review meeting at the Secretariat on Monday. As it appeared, the state government has been working for an overall growth with a space for recognitions of the contribution made by the Maharajas. The BJP IFTFT government first installed a statue of Maharaja Bir Bikram in front of the airport and then played an active role renaming the airport after the Maharaja. The Agartala airport has been renamed as Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport. Dev has also instructed official concerned to complete the work under the Smart City mission within the stipulated time. He also asked to complete the tendering process for all such work by July. The Chief Minister had a detailed review on the process of various schemes: Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, Swachh Bharat Mission, AMRUT, Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, National Urban Livelihood Mission, NULM, and Smart City Mission. Addressing the meeting, the Chief Minister has directed the Urban Development Department to work on the mission mode achieve government goal housing to all urban areas by 2020. He also asked to ensure that the benefit of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana are reaching actual beneficiaries. In the meanwhile, the works for 3 township projects consisting 1,000 flats would start very soon. The Urban Development Department has set target to complete the tendering process and lay the foundation stone by August. MS Mitsuni Housing Private Limited has been entrusted for implementing the project. Besides, the state government has planned to set up an IT park, child care hospital, and an eye hospital apart from constructing 400 flats on 6 acres land in the premises of Old Jail in the city.
Belaikena hambai tripuri khorang nai tongnai ta hukte bukuk sono sini channel tabu bonorok subscribe khlaya khong khangken daktino subscribe khlai di job tonse sakang video norok nugna bagai aboni bagi ta makhonai video ni tolaw norok nugo yagra phai sing subscribe ni suija kasak khlai abona click khlai mani loge no kaisa bell hai khlai nugjagana nukjaka a bell click khlai re kha ke sing video upload khlai mani loge no norok video nugana joton sai sekang nugana aboni bagai belakeno hambai nai tongdi